Assalamualaikum my dear students, how do you feel today? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hussain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am gonna take mathematics class 4, class 3, and our today's topic is word problem page 72, question number 7, 8 and 9, and which is the including of your half yearly exam. And our today's lecture is 27 and HW number 25, and HW is the same as this class. Now let's go to start our class. Question number 7, the price of a book and 3 pencils are Taka 95 together. The price of a pencil is Taka 20. What is the price of a book? Now question number 7, and here is the solution. Given that the price of one pencil is 20 Taka, and in the question here is 3 pencils, so the price of 3 pencils is 20 multiplied by 3 Taka. Here 20 multiplied by 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, so 20 multiplied by 3, it is 60 Taka. Now look at the question. Here is the price of a book and 3 pencil, so the price of one book and 3 pencils is 95 Taka, and we got the price of 3 pencils is 60 Taka. So here the price of one book is, here is 60 and 95. Now we have to subtract 60 from 95, 0 from 5, it is 5, there is no carry, 6 from 9, it is 3. So the price of one book is 35 Taka. Therefore price of one book is 35 Taka. So the answer is 35 Taka. We have already determined the price of one book. My dear students, hope you understood the question number 7. Now go to the question number 8. Here the question number 8 is, there are 83 mangoes. Reza took 6 mangoes from them and the rest quality distributed to his 7 friends. How many did each of his friends get? So here question number 8. Question number 8, solution is, given that there are 83 mangoes. First of all, Reza took 6 mangoes. So here Reza took 6 mangoes. How many remainings are there? So rest in the question here is rest quality is devoted. So remaining 6 from 83, 6 from 13, it is 7. Here is carry 1 from 8, it is 7. So 77 mangoes. Now the rest quality is distributed, that means 77 mangoes are distributed to 7 friends. So 7 friends get 77 mangoes. Therefore one friend gets 77 divided by 7 mangoes. Here 77 divided by 7. So here 7 and 7, 7 ones are 7. Now subtract 7 from 7, here is 0. Now bring down 7 here, again 7 ones are 7 and there is no remainder. So 77 divided by 7, it will be 11 and 11 mangoes. Therefore each of his friends get 11 mangoes. Therefore answer 11 mangoes. So we have determined here each of his friends get 11 mangoes. My dear students, hope you understood the question number 8. Now the question number 9 and the last one. Rohim's weight is 25 kg. Akash weight is 3 more kg from Rohim's weight. Ali's weight is 34 kg. What is the difference between Akash and Ali's weight? Now here question number 9. Rohim's weight is Rohim's weight is 25 kg and Akash weight is 3 kg more from Rohim's weight. Therefore Akash weight is Akash weight is 25 plus 3 kg. Here is 5 and 3, it is 8 and 2 is here, so 28 kg. Now there is another one which is Ali. Therefore Ali's weight is 34 kg and Akash weight is 28 kg. Now we have to determine the difference between Ali's weight and Akash weight. So here difference is, now we have to subtract 28 from 34, 8 from 14, it is 6. Here is carry 1, 2 and 1, 3, 3 from 3, it is 0. So here 6 kg. So the answer is 6 kg is the difference. So my dear students, hope you understood the question number 7, 8 and 9. Practice it at your home more and more. Take care of yourself, abide by your parents. See you soon, until then, Allah Hafiz.